Hello, this is Martin Aranovich from wpcompendium.org, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview of WordPress website maintenance for beginners. Our mission is to empower you to have complete control of your digital presence. To do this, we provide hundreds of detailed WordPress step-by-step tutorials that show you exactly how to build and manage a professional website with no coding skills required, and how to grow your business online at minimal cost, and all tutorials are 100% free. Now, all websites need maintenance, including WordPress. You can either pay someone to do this for you, or you can learn how to do it yourself. I'm going to show you how easy it is to just do it yourself and save yourself a lot of money. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a routine WordPress maintenance in minutes just by clicking a few buttons. This is going to save you hundreds of dollars. We're going to make a full backup of your site files and data, update the WordPress software, update plugins and delete any unused plugins, update themes and delete any unused themes, fix broken links in the content, delete spam comments, delete old post revisions and trashed posts, and optimize your database, all without touching any code. Now in this video, I'm not going to go into detail about how to set everything up, because all of this is covered in our WordPress maintenance tutorials. Okay, so here we are now inside the WordPress dashboard, and we can see that there are quite a few things that need updating. For example, WordPress has a new version out, and so we're going to need to update the WordPress software. Here in the admin toolbar, we can see that there are plugins and themes that need to be updated. Down here in the comments section, there are spam comments that we're going to delete, and a couple of broken links in the content that we're going to need to fix. Now, before you touch anything on your site, before you add or delete anything, we always recommend making a complete backup of your site files and data, just in case something goes wrong. To do that, we're going to use a plugin. So our plugin has already been installed and configured, and we've also set it to perform automatic backups. So this plugin will actually perform the backups for you, but since we're performing maintenance today, we're actually going to update it just before modifying anything on the site. So to backup, we're just going to click on Backup Now. Okay, so this plugin is configured to store everything in a remote location, in an Amazon S3 storage, and our tutorials show you how to configure that as well as the plugin. Now that we've backed up everything, let's start performing the updates. So we come back here to the home screen, and we're now going to update the WordPress software. So we click on Please Update Now. Okay, so again, it reminds you to back up your database and files, which we've just done. So let's update the WordPress software now. So everything we're going to do here, you can see, is just clicking a few buttons. Okay, so WordPress has now been updated to the latest version. Now let's go and perform the plugin and the theme updates. So you can either perform the updates by clicking here, or just going to the plugins or the theme sections and doing the updates one by one. So we have come to the WordPress updates screen, and in here now we've got a number of plugins to update and a number of themes. So very easily we just select all and we click on Update Plugins. WordPress now goes and automatically updates all of the plugins. Okay, we go back to the update section. And now that we've updated the plugins, see all plugins are up to date, let's update the themes. So we can do the same thing. We can just update the themes at once by selecting all, click on update themes. Okay, so we've updated the WordPress software, we've updated the plugins, we've updated the themes. So everything now is up to date. So let's perform some other administration tasks. For example, we've got comments. So here we are in the comments screen, and the same thing, we can basically trash any comments that we don't like. So let's get rid of this one. Okay, and now we've got a comment in the trash. We can click on trash, and we can delete it permanently. Okay, so now we've deleted the comments, comment spam. You can go through and you can go review each of the comments, and anything that looks spam, you can just delete it. Let's actually delete everything at once here. So we'll just move it to the trash. Apply, so we can do it individually or in bulk. Okay, so now all comments, all spam comments have been deleted. If we come back to the dashboard, we can see that there's nothing showing in the comments section because we've deleted everything was spam. Now we're going to go through and we're going to get rid of any old posts. So for example, we have 3 posts that we have trashed, and we're going to delete those. So just select them, click on delete permanently, and click the apply button. Okay, and now we have no more posts in the trash. So that basically just starts to free up your database, and we're going to optimize our database in just a moment. Now, if there are any plugins or themes that you are no longer using and want to delete, it's also very easy to do this. Just come, for example, to the plugin section. Select the plugin that you want to delete. Just click delete. Gone. Okay, so we've deleted a plugin that is no longer being used on the site. Same thing with themes. We just come to the themes section. And if there's a theme that you are no longer using and want to get rid of, just select the theme, go to theme details, and click delete. Okay, the theme is gone. So very easy to delete unused plugins and themes. Now, if we come down here to tools, you can see that there are broken links. So it's showing us that we've got broken links here. You can also see that in the dashboard home screen. So we can click here, and now it shows you the links that are broken in your content. You don't have to go into the content to change it. With the plugin, this is the broken link checker plugin. And as I said, everything is explained in our tutorials. You can fix all of the broken links in your content from one central location without having to open up the posts individually and then go through, find the content, find the broken link, and fix it up. So here, for example, this was meant to be google.com, ended up being something different. So we can basically, there are a number of options we can do, but we're just going to edit the URL and fix it. So what we want this to show up is google.com. And so we're going to change the text, and we're going to change the URL it points to, and we're going to click update. Okay, so now everything is okay. We've fixed up the link in the content. Okay, and if you go and check the post, if we take a look at the post here, see, we've corrected the link. So now we've fixed up the links. We have deleted any trash posts. We've updated all of the software. All we're doing here, as you can see, is just clicking a few buttons. Once everything is installed and configured correctly, as we show you in the tutorials how to do, all you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard, go through the maintenance routine, click a few buttons, update everything. So you can easily do this yourself. The last thing that we're going to do is I've installed another plugin here called Better Delete Revision. And what it does is every time you create a new post, WordPress has an automated autosave, so it keeps saving your post revisions. So if later on you want to get back to an earlier version of your post, you can basically revert back to what you had before. Now, every time you create a new revision, it stores that in your database. So after a while, you can end up with a lot of revisions stored in your database that are just basically making your database larger for no reason. So let's just check the revision posts here. And in this site, we have 94 posts and we have 103 revisions. So we can basically get rid of all of those extra revisions just by clicking a button. Okay, so we've deleted 103 revisions that were just stored in the database in case you ever wanted to revert back to the content. But we've already published these posts, so we don't need to go back to the revisions. We can delete them. If we go back to the plugin again, we can now optimize the database again without going into your server and opening up any programs and doing things there. You can just do it directly from your dashboard. Now here it says that everything is okay, all the tables are okay, so you don't need to optimize your database, but let's just do it anyway. So we'll click here, Optimize WordPress Database, and it's completed. So now we have basically performed all the maintenance we needed to do. Took only a couple of minutes, and all we did was go through and click a few buttons. Okay, so everything is up to date now. We've deleted all of the spam. We've fixed the broken links. You can go through and fix any other broken links if you want. So you can basically dismiss the link or change the URL. You are in control of your own website, especially if you know how to perform your own maintenance. And that's what we want you to do at wpcompendium.org. That's why we provide you with hundreds of detailed step-by-step WordPress tutorials. Okay, so as I said, everything I've just shown you is covered in detail in our WordPress maintenance tutorials. Just visit our site, go through the sections, and you can learn how to do it all yourself and save yourself a lot of money. So our WordPress maintenance tutorials link is here. The plugin that we used, if you want to learn more about it, there are many different plugins that can do all sorts of maintenance tasks in WordPress. And all you have to do is basically download, install them, configure them, and your maintenance can either be automated or parts of it, you basically just go in, log in once a month. When you see the messages on your dashboard telling you that things need to be updated, make a backup and then go through and update things yourself. Okay? So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I just wanted to show you how you can perform your own WordPress maintenance without having to pay other people to do it for you, and in the process save yourself a lot of money. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching.